Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and big news for the shop. Last weekend, Lennis and I were messaging back and forth, and we were just kind of bouncing ideas for a group build back and forth. And I said, you know what would be cool? Let's do a 24-hour group build. We'll set it up, get everything going. I'll go live for 24 hours with the cameras going and film building a kit from start to finish in 24 hours straight. And he's like, that is awesome. And we chuckled about it back and forth. I says, nobody's going to come on and watch unless they want to just see me fall asleep and fall out of my chair. And Lenny disagreed with me. He goes, why don't we do this for a charity? He says, October is Breast Awareness Month. So now we got a reason to do this. So I want all the group to get together and think about this. And I'd love to have everybody join in with us. I talked to Zach. He's good. He's going to come down here and do all the comments and stuff like that. So as you guys are doing your stuff, you can comment back and forth, and we can keep each other company all day. So that was the morning. And then I talked about it and back and forth, and we talked a few things. And then I was sitting there Saturday night, and I was talking to Bruce from Bruce's Eclectic World and Jason from KRD Klein Racing Design. And I was telling them this while they were building. And they both stopped and looked up and they said, we're in. And I was like, really? Okay. So now what we're going to do is Bruce is going to take over all the technical computer voodoo, and he's going to keep us all online. Now, he did tell us that we're going to have to stop and then restart so that we can, so YouTube won't just shut us off. They only allow 12 hours at a pop, so we might, I'm not sure if we're going to do, 3 separate or whatever. That's logistics down the road. But what I want to do first, for sure, is we're going to set up a GoFundMe. And we're going to do this. Let me bring this up. I'm all proud of this. I did it last night. We're going to do our first annual breast cancer awareness 24-hour build. It'll be October 11th, so everybody's got more than enough time to catch up on their sleep and find a kit that they think they can do in 24 hours. But I'm really pumped up for this. This is going to be epic for our group, for the channel, and for just modeling in general. So let's see how big we can get this. Tell everybody you know that this is coming up, and let's roll with it. And with that, I'll let you go. You all have a great day, a better tomorrow, and thanks again for putting up with me. I'll see you soon. Oh, I think that was good. Oh, stop recording. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the shop. That sucked. I'm gonna sit down. Building, you can tell us about your builds, because like I said, Zach's going to be with us. I didn't say that. 24-hour builds. Or I'm getting better. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and something big. 2. Texting back and forth, and I'm going to start over. This is just rambling. Complete rambling. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. Something huge is going to take over. It sucked. Okay. Jeez, oh Pete. Even my outtake is outtaked. With that, I'll let y'all go. Y'all have a great night. I'm all messed up. With that, I'll let y'all go. Y'all have a great night and a better... Jeez, I can't even say my own cut line. With that, I'll let y'all go. Y'all have a great day and a better tomorrow. And thank you very much for watching. Finally. Man, oh man, oh man.